Chanda Bees Co., Ltd. Mainly engaged in the design and production of honey extractor, sales and export business. During the development process, the company has always adhered to the principle of quality development, introduction of various advanced equipment, realize a modern production line, mass production, high precision and small error, greatly improve product quality and production efficiency. The accessories required for the product are independently developed and produced. The company owns automated processing equipment, machining center laser cutting machine, numerical control lathe finishing, robot welding opening, own RD team. From need to design, every step of production, it's all connected. Quantity of quality assurance, further control and improve product quality, production of standard products, customization of special products, the development of new products. The company produces the basket, 3 basket, 4 basket, 6 basket, 8 basket, 12 basket, 24 basket, 48 basket manual electric transparent honey shaker. Can be customized according to different needs of customers. The company's products are exported to the United States, Germany and South Korea. More than 40 countries and regions around the world, including Australia. The company has been established for more than 20 years. Thank you for your support and trust from new and old customers. We will continue as always. Don't forget the original intention. Forge ahead.